What's up, everybody? We're gonna get back at it. Might be a little bright. We're gonna get back at it. Had to take a little bit of a break. I wish I was recording, but you know, kind of grinding on something the way that I necessarily shouldn't have been grinding on it, and it caught a hold of the grinder and whipped it around. Yeah, so I had to just take a little bit of time, warm my hands up because they were kind of cold, make sure that it wasn't broken. Seems to be working good. Got the other damage all cleaned up. I'll go ahead and cut in a clip of it right here. Just kind of ripped the cuticle off my nail, but we're gonna go ahead and jump back in here and get back on this. What's up, everybody? We're gonna go ahead to get to powder coating these wheels. Now, you wanna get in those areas the best you can at first. We are gonna go ahead and just wipe it off the back, I believe. I was thinking of just getting a vacuum and vacuuming it off the back. Or just wiping it off, taking a damp rag and wiping it off. Now that inside, the inside of that part was powder coated before. Okay. So, I know that that's not an issue. You guys might actually be wondering why we didn't tape anything like that off. On these wheels, it was already all done before. All of that was powder coated before. Holy shit. Pristine. What's up, everybody? This is how they're looking.